So, is there no
I'm number one.
I said 2 already.
You are right.
I have the highest score.
Alright, number 1, hold up your board.
Oh.
Because you guys need to know what numbers you are. Number 2, hold up your board. Number 3, hold up your board. Number 4, hold up your board. Okay, here's how this is going to work. I am going to, we'll do practice 1. I'm going to describe one of the elves on the screen. Okay? You, as a team, are going to figure out which elf I'm describing. And you're going to figure it out quietly so you don't give the answers away to the other teams. Okay? Then you're going to write the number of the elf on your board. All of you need to have the correct answer because I'm only going to call one of you to raise your boards. Okay, so if I call tres, if you have number 3, you're holding them up. Okay? And I'm going to check your board to see if your answer is correct. If it's correct, your whole team gets a point. It's not just you, it's your whole team.
Headshot.
You need to talk to each other to make sure you have the right answers, because this happened a bunch this morning with the other 7th grade class. All of them were like, it's this one, and then someone would put a different one on, and then they get it wrong because I called their number. So talk to each other, communicate, you're all on the same team working together, okay? And you're just writing down which one I'm describing. Mason.
Why is there 6 elves, but we have 4 numbers?
The 6, the numbers on the screen match the elf.
I know, yeah.
The 4 numbers match you guys. Okay, we'll do a practice one just to make sure you all know what we're doing, okay? This one doesn't count for points. It's a practice one. You're all keeping track of points. That's why you all have the little box on your thing. Okay, here we go. El duende es bajo. El duende lleva lentes. El duende es completamente calvo. Uno. So if you are number 1, you should have your board in the air. Okay, good. Now, if Cam would have put his board up, their team wouldn't get the point because he's not number 1. If Mason and Graham put their boards up, their team wouldn't get the point because they're not following the directions of putting the correct one up. Good? Questions before we officially start for points? Okay, here we go. El duende lleva un traje magenta. El duende lleva una bandana. El duende está bailando. It's the closest you're ever going to get to see me doing flop, by the way. Dos. C. Give yourselves a point. You all got that correct. Good work. El duende tiene pelo largo. El duende lleva un traje anaranjado. El duende es violenta. story. You can ask Ingrid in 8B if you want to know more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Es la víctima. La víctima de la violencia. Okay. El duende vive en el círculo ártico. El duende tiene un gorro, un sombrero rojo. El duende es alto.
Oh.
Tres. Sí, fantástico. You'll have to ask Ingrid and Katie about this. That's Katie's all. El duende es bajo. El duende no tiene pelo. El duende tiene un bigote rubio. Tres. Sí. Oh no. Sí. Bigote rubio. Is it what?
Mustache.
Blonde mustache.
Y este no. He has hair. I'm sorry. This one has a little hair. It doesn't have any hair. Lo siento. I don't know why I got in there twice. Ignore it. Este duende lleva lentes de sol. El duende tiene un sombrero y vive en la playa. Cuatro. Sí, número 6. Lo siento. My shoe, sorry.
Scared me.
El duende lleva gafas de sol, lentes de sol. El duende lleva un gorro. El duende tiene 2 aretes. Dos. Sí, número 5. Aha, because the gorro is a winter hat and the other one is a regular hat, a brimmed hat.
I'll wait.
Which one's a bird? What are you talking about? Oh, I thought you said one of the elves looked like a bird. Goodness gracious. El duende? I don't know which one I want to be yet.
Number 1.
Is that yours?
No.
Oh. El duende vive en el océano y tiene pelo grande y rubio.
Yep.
Mine is yellow.
Uno. Sí, fantástico. Número 4.
Where is mine?
El duende
Not special.
lleva lentes de sol. duende lleva
Oh no.
un traje rojo. El duende está emocionado. Tres.
Yeah.
Sí, 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 sí. El duende es un muchacho. Stop making that noise, please. El duende tiene lentes. El duende lleva un gorro magenta. Dos. Sí, no.
There's two.
No. Sí. Didn't I say es un muchacho?
No.
Blue.
C.
That was my first clue. Sí. No. Sí. Wait. Wait, hold on. Hold, what do you have again?
I had 6.
Who had 3? 3 is the correct answer. If you have 3, then you get the point. I said es un muchacho, so that narrows you down to 1, 2, 3, or 4. I said that lleva lentes, glasses, not sunglasses. So that narrows it down to 3 and 4. And then I said has a magenta hat. Narrows it down to 3. We're going off of appearances here, because that's all we have to go off of. Okay. El duende vive en el círculo ártico. El duende tiene pelo café, castaño. Y el duende lleva una bufanda morada. Uno. Sí, 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 sí. Número 1. Oh my. El duende lleva lentes de sol, gafas de sol. El duende lleva un traje azul. Y el duende vive en la casa de jengibre. Cuatro. Sí, 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 fantástico. Almost done. I think there's 2 more. El duende lleva una bufanda amarilla. El duende lleva un traje verde y vive en la casa de, what did I say for my first clue? Oh, bufanda amarilla. Y un traje verde y vive en la casa de Papá Noel. Dos. Sí, 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 número 5. I'm getting all confused. This is the last one, I think. El duende lleva 2 aretes. El duende tiene un gorro azul y el duende lleva una bufanda amarilla. Despacito. Oh no, there's one more. Okay. Just kidding. El duende tiene un sombrero verde y rojo y blanco con una estrella amarilla. Y el duende lleva un traje verde y una bufanda verde. Y es completamente calvo.
¿Por qué?
No sé. 3. Sí, todos son correctos. Número 2. Now we are out. All right. And on that note, please erase your boards and put your items away. And get in your groups and keep working on those stories.
No,